Kapag sinaksak ninyo, kukuha siya ng energy from whatever source. Kung sa solar man yan o dun sa existing ninyong setup. At kapag kailangan nyo na siya sa gabi, bubuksan nyo lang siya at dinidistribute na niya yung power sa lahat ng mga pupwedeng labasan ng electricity, any outlet for that matter. So, and like what I said about Venus, plug and play na lang talaga siya. Kumbaga, ginawa niya talaga siyang sobrang simple. So, I think yun yung pinaka-differentiator niya sa iba. Na it is agnostic in the sense that it can work with any other existing system which we already have.
Okay, thank you. Sa Marstek Management, bakit si Ding Dong po ang napili nyo na maging endorser nito? Anyone po.
So, as we all know, in the Philippines, no, we know Sir Ding Dong for so long, and for so many years, we've been working with a lot of artists from our different brands. And actually, he's really the top choice. It's just that hindi ko alam kung mapapansin kami ng management. And we are very overwhelmed na si Kuya Dong pala ay merong Zion Sona. Sorry, nag-cross-promote, no? No, so, okay, meron na pala tayong contact with their team. And as Kelvin mentioned a while ago, no, sobrang bilis po ng team nilang mag-respond. No? Sabi ko nga, 3 weeks ago lang tayo nag-pre-launch dito sa Philippines and Get. After ilang usap, parang 2 to 3 calls lang, okay, done deal na po tayo kay Sir Ding Dong. And bakit po namin siya napili? Well, first and foremost, we are promoting a family-oriented brand. So, because with that, we can see na sobrang, as he said, siya po ay padre de pamilya, no? At nakikita natin yung importance ng pagkakaroon ng magandang brand sa loob ng bahay mo, which is the Marstek. And we can say heavily that Kuya Dong or Sir Ding Dong can promote Marstek so well dahil siya mismo ay user at makikita natin sa lahat ng sagot niya na talagang love niya ang Marstek. And with that, thank you so much, Kuya.
Okay, thank you po.
Thank you so much, Mr. Roldan Castro, for that question. Now, may we now call on Ms. Lane Garcia, representing Billionario News TV Line and Agenda. Ms. Lane, you may now ask your question.
Okay. Marami kasi ngayon na, syempre, mga balibalita na talagang tumataas yung energy.
Electricity cost.
Ano ang ma-offer nitong, ano na to, solar, paano siya makakatulong?
Hindi si Clarissa. Pero wala pa naman.
Okay, totoo po yan. Reality, that's a reality that we are all facing. Siyempre, kagaya po na nabanggit, we all want to think of ways on how to save. Lalong-lalo na sa monthly bills, sa kung ano man yung gastusin. And I'd like to talk specifically about what Mars One can do for our households, for that matter. Kasi iba si Venus A. Sa amin sa Mars One, I can confidently say that kung ano man yung nailagay, it can save up to at least, let's start with at least 40% of whatever monthly consumption we have. And it can still go up. Depende na lang po yan kung ilang panels pa ang pwedeng ilagay. Diba? At ilang baterya pa ang pwedeng ilagay. So, safe to say, mga at the very least 40%. So imagine may isang halimbawa nga ng isang regular household that is averaging 6,000 pesos ng electricity bill, di ba? Isang average household. And noong naikabit ang Venus E, tama ba? Venus E, Mars 1 yung naikabit sa kanila na may 20 panels. If I'm not mistaken, 10. Okay, 10 panels, okay. One average household yielding 6,000 pesos worth of consumption with 10 panels using the Mars 1, drastically ay naibaba ng 90% ang kanilang electricity bill. So again, it depende yan sa magiging setup ninyo. But in my case, we are targeting around probably at least 40% for the Mars 1.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you so much for that question. Our next question will come from Miss Cariza Alcantara, representing Manila Bulletin and Tempo. You may now proceed, ma'am.
Hi, hello po. Good morning. First of all, congratulations on this collaboration. I would like to ask if how did this collaboration come up? Sino po nag-reach out and why did you say yes on this ambassador? Yes. Thank you.
Sorry, ma'am. How did this collaboration
Yes.
push through?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So I think this is also related to what we've discussed earlier. So we really believe that Sir Ding Dong is the best fit for the brand. Well, first and foremost, he's a family man and he knows everything about their energy consumption, electricity bill. Noong time na nag-ocular visit po yung Marstech team natin sa bahay po nila Sir Ding Dong, talagang present po siya doon. No? Nakapambahay nga lang po, no? Wala tayong picture sa kaya ba? Nakapambahay si Kuya Dong. So, but then, I can see that the focus of being a family man, and that's what Marstech represents. Not only an AI brand, not only a top one in Europe, but also the health that it produces sa household, not only sa mga nanay, especially sa mga tatay din. Dahil most of them, sila talaga yung nakakaalam niya. Actually, ngayon po, hindi ko pa rin alam ang watt at kilowatt. So, buti na lang dyan ang aking asawa. Alam niya lahat ng mga consumption and anything. So, this collaboration pushed through because we believe that Kuya Dong is the best fit for the brand. Thank you po.
Yun lang po. What made you say yes?
Yun nga, gaya ng may kwento ko kanina. Kasi may relationship na talaga ako with them, with the company, and malaking bagay yung trust. Of course, dahil ito ay something na ipapasok ko sa aking tahanan, something na I would like to depend on, di ba? So, kailangan, maaasahan din yung kumpanyang makaka-collaborate ko nito. And I believe that that's Marstech.
Thank you po and congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Carissa, for that question. Our next question will be coming from Mr. Jerry Donato, representing the Philippine Star and Philstar Online. Mr. Jerry, you may now direct your question to Mr. Dong.
Yes, hi. I think it's already afternoon, right? Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Jerry Donato from the Philippine Star. Ding Dong, kasi this is a new innovation, right? And usually when something new is being introduced to any one of us, parang, di ba, we have this careful thinking about it. So, ano kaya what aspects of this product or innovation that you would like to, explain to everyone, especially dun sa magko-consider, syempre gusto natin makatipid ng sa kuryente or sa pag-consume. Ano yung aspeto doon na gusto mong i-explain sa kanila so that they will be really sold on the idea na, okay, we're gonna acquire Marstech.
Okay.
Yes, I'm doing good. Thank you.
Okay. Una, kailangan natin ma-identify talaga ano ba yung needs natin, di ba? Bilang isang household, ano ba yung pangangailangan natin sa pamilya? And then, syempre, we have to also think of this as an investment. Meaning, kung meron tayong gusto ma-address na problema, kagaya ng gusto natin something efficient, diba? Gusto natin something that is easy to install, gusto natin something that's reliable, diba? In the household, and most importantly, something that is future-proof. So, kung lahat ng ito ay gusto natin at kailangan natin, syempre, we have to think of it as an investment. Diba? If we invest in it now, maibabalik pa dito sa akin later on ang lahat ng pinambili ko dito or kung ano man yung maititipid. And I think, especially speaking from my experience, the answer will be yes. Because it hit all the things that I am looking for. Efficiency, yung pagiging pagmadali niya, yung reliability, yung pagiging future-proof. Lalong-lalo na kasi for working parents like me, yung parating wala sa bahay, parating nasa field, gusto natin, namomonitor natin kung ano nangyayari, gusto natin, mas madali sana. So, the AI app and smart component of this make things so much easier. So para sa akin, yun ang hinahanap ko. So kaya para sa akin, swak na swak talaga ito sa aming pangangailangan bilang pamilya.
Can we see that it's also user-friendly? Kasi di ba tayo parang we don't like nga yung mga aspeto na parang pang-electrical engineering.
Yan.
It's easy naman to understand,
Oo,
right?
doon papasok talaga yung app. Di ba?
Yes,
Parang, just like any interface, gusto natin yung interface ng ating applications ay sobrang madaling gamitin. Na kapag hindi ka naaabot sa tatlong tanong or step, kasi pag lumampas ka na sa tatlong, mawawala ka. Ako gano'n, pag may punta ka dito, wala na. Sa pangalawa pa nga lang, kung di ko na nakuha doon, wala na. So, ganun tayo ngayon, di ba? So, and I think it will really make everything easier with the application. Nandun lahat ng pag-monitor, nandun yung mga bagay na hindi mo mamomonitor on your own.
Yes.
Hindi mo naman titignan yung bill mo, ano yung consumption. Makikita mo kung ano yung power generated, ano yung load na na-consume, at ano yung na-consume din sa grid. Diba? These are
Yes.
technical terms, but anytime you want to go back to the data, nandun siya. At siya rin ang magsasabi sa'yo kung ano ang dapat gawin. Gusto ko rin pala itagdag.
Sure.
As we speak so far, ito pa lang ang nakakapagbigay ng 10 years warranty na replacement. Replacement siya. Hindi siya repair, hindi siya yung patch up na ano.
Yes.
Pag nasira, papalitan.
So it's a very good investment talaga.
Yes.
I think we should consider it.
I believe so. Salamat.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Our next media representative is Mr. John Milo Severo, representing Philstar Online News. Mr. John Milo, you may now ask your question.
For our next question, may we call on Ms. Jessica Evangelista, representing the Philippine Daily Inquirer. Ms. Jessica, you may now direct your question to Mr. Ding Dong.
Hello po, good morning. Congratulations po, Sir Ding Dong. Sir, tanong pa lang po, alam naman po natin na medyo controversial po, anything AI related. Pero do you think po ba Filipino homeowners are ready for something like this?
Again, babalik tayo doon sa ano ang pangangailangan, di ba? What will make things easy? Siyempre, the term AI is widely used now. But before it came, nandiyan naman ang smart homes. Di ba? Pero ngayon, it is just AI assisted because it makes things easier for you. Mga bagay na hindi mo kayang gawin sa sarili mo ay pinadadali ng technology nito. With regards to if we are ready, gaya na banggit ni Kelvin kanina, 1% pa lang daw ng ating ng Pilipinas ang nandito sa ganito, gumagamit ng ganitong klase ng produkto. And which I think it means that there is so much room for us to understand what the technology really is. So again, it is an investment, and with every investment, we also have to be prudent, di ba, sa sa pagsiguro kung ano, number one, ano yung kailangan, ano yung magiging benepisyo nito sa atin. At ano talaga yung magiging effect na sa ating pang-araw-araw na kabuhayan. While siguro ako, I only found out about this technology when it was offered in the market. Diba? So, hindi ko naman malalaman na mayroon. So, nung nalaman kong mayroon, ang tanong ko sa sarili ko, kailangan ko ba ito? And immediately the answer is yes.
Thank you po, sir. Congratulations.
Salamat.
Thank you for that question.
Thank you so much. And now may we call on Ms. Vinya Vivar, representing People's Tonight, Bulgar Abante, and News Journal. You may now proceed to your question, ma'am.
Late sila sa special meeting.
Hello, Ding Dong. Congrats. Kailan napakapit mo na yung ano mo?
They're using it.
Ay, ate. Ngayon, as we speak, kinakabit po ongoing. Kasi last week nagsimula na yung inspection, lahat. So ngayon po as we speak, ongoing na po siya. Yung calculation, lahat. So, alam na sila. Diba sir, engineer kayo ba?
And, kasi alam mo naman, ang dami rin nagre-reklamong mga celebrities natin tungkol sa pagtaas ng kuryente. Ikaw ba may ganong mga experiences?
Oo naman ho. Sino naman po, lahat po naman tayo gusto hanggat maaari maging efficient ang ating pagkonsumo na hindi na-aapektuhan. Kasi pwede kang maging efficient, pero may kapalit. Di ba? Mapatayin mo yan, hindi mo gagamitin ito. Pero siguro sa isang ideal na sitwasyon, magandang efficient siya, pero at the same time, nagagamit mo pa rin yung mga appliance na gusto mo pong gamitin para maging komportable rin po ang pamumuhay sa loob ng bahay.
So yung mga pagtitipid na ano rin na naranasan nyo na rin.
Oo, kailangan ko naman po. Siyempre, ayaw natin ng mga hindi naman yung mga nasasayang, di ba? Ayaw natin ng mga bagay na nasasayang na hindi po nagagamit.
Ano yung pinakamalaki yung ginawang pagtitipid?
Siguro po ito. Ito, magiging ito. O, tsaka siguro, magpapatay ng aircon pag di naman kailangan, yung mga ganun. Tapos, kasi gabi, at saka ano po kami, hanggang ngayon, we like sleeping in one room. So, isa lang po kwarto ginagamit namin. Pero again, hindi naman siya dahil gusto namin magtipid. Dahil gusto namin makasama ang isa't isa. Magkaiba po yun. Banding po yun.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Miss Gigi.
Thank you for that question.
Thank you so much. I think we're on to our second to the last question, yeah?
Yes.
All right, right now, maybe call on Mr. Georgie Rula. I hope that we are saying your name right, sir. Of PEP PH. You may now direct your question to Mr. Ding Dong. Anto po pala.
Hi, good afternoon. Natanong na kasi yung gusto ko sanang itanong kay Ding Dong. Pero dito na lang muna kay Dr. Mary Cruz or kay Sir Kelvin. Ma'am, dati ko ba kayong beauty queen? Kasi ang ganda-ganda nyo. I'm sure agree ang Miss Earth din, si Miss Athena Imperial, na pwede kayong lumaban kayo sa beauty queen.
Dati sir, little miss, pwede. Hindi
Ah,
ako
okay.
tumangkad eh. Pero kung 5'8 ako, baka 4'11, dahil nga umabot ng 5.
Hindi, kasi parang
Thank you, sir.
ang babagets pa ninyo lahat, ano? Then, nag-start kayo dito sa company na to. Sa ating mga consumers, paano nyo po may papaliwanag using this product na mukhang aware that wala pa kaming idea kung ilang mga models ito, may Venus, may Mars, ano pang planet ang gagamitin.
Actually, meron tayo sir, may mga Saturn pa eh.
Talaga? So, tama.
Pluto, Uranus,
So, how safe is this? Gaano po ito ka-safe na gagamitin ng mga consumers? Kasi may mga sinasabi sila na yung may ibang solar daw, lalo na yung mga na-order mo siya online, parang hindi na siya ganun ka-effective or sabi lang hindi daw ganun ka-safe. So, gaano po ka-safe itong Mars Tech?
Well, unang-una sa lahat, sir, imagine nyo, sir, na si Mars Tech is #1 sa Europe. So, kasi pag sinabi mong Europe market, it's hard to penetrate that market. Meaning, lahat ng compliance, lahat ng papers, talagang napas nila lahat ng test na yon. And yung technology ng battery na meron tayo is, I think, 200 degrees yung fire niya. Magbe-burn siya kapag umabot siya ng 200 degrees Celsius. Pero yung safety measures na meron yung device natin, pag lumampas pa lang siya ng 60 degrees, hindi na siya tutuloy. So that's yun yung safety feature na meron yung device natin. So makaka-sure tayo na yung device natin is sobrang safe. No, kahit sa loob ng bahay mo siya ilagay, si Venus plug and play. Sa labas ng bahay, sa loob ng bahay, waterproof siya, IP65 rating. So marami siyang safety features para sa mga consumers natin.
And nakabit nyo na o nagamit nyo na sa ibang mga households, sa ibang mga bahay, di ba? Pwede nyo rin ma-share sa amin kung ilang percent ang naitipid with this, using this product.
Actually, yung mga common household natin, yun nga, yung nag-range ng mga 10,000 below yung yung consumption. Kaya nila up to 90% or kung medyo matipid talaga sila is kaya talaga nilang i-zero bill yun kapag meron silang net metering plus our device. So kaya nilang mag-zero bill and yun.
Yes.
So just to add lang, so we've just launched Mars Tech 3 weeks ago. And actually, sobrang bilis po ng mga pangyayari, no, sir?
So wala pa palang dumating na bill, no?
Yes, pero sa amin po sa household namin, sa bahay po namin, few months ago, we've tried it on our own. And ang meron kaming kukunti na lang na naiiwan na bill. The main reason is, yung bubong namin ay wala nang mapaglagyan ng solar panels. No? Kasi sabi nga ni Sir Kelvin, up to 90% kayang malas yung bill mo eh. So before, running kami like 70,000 per month to 80,000. And ngayon may natitira na lang 10,000 to 20,000 per month na lang. And pagpagawa tayo pa ng padagdag tayong bubong, no? Wala na kasing mapaglagyan yung solar panel. But it simply means na talagang very totoo, true to its claims, yes. And as Sir Kelvin said, no, this is top 1 in Europe and this is publicly listed company. At nakikita natin sa Europe, sobrang grabe po lahat ng mga certifications na pinagdaanan, no? And every day, sobrang daming naka-harvest, no? And it simply means na if it is a Europe-based brand at dumaan sa napakaraming certifications, what more dito sa Philippines na, well, sorry sa government, may mga media tayo, no? Pero dito sa Philippines talagang madaling magano ng mga certification measures or safety measures, sorry. So we can clearly say 100% very safe po siya.
Okay, sige, thank you. Doc, sa mga followers mo, lalo na sa mga fans mo, paano mo to, ano yung gusto mong message na iparating sa kanila na using this Mars Tech na affordable ba? Kaya ba nila? Kasi syempre sa inyo, ang lalaki ng mga bills na binabayaran ninyo, laki na din nabawas. Pero karamihan talaga yung affected na dumadaing sa taas ng kuryente. Yung mga nasa middle income, yung mga less pa. Paano pong gusto mong sabihin sa mga followers mo, sa mga fans mo na okay to, kaya ninyo ito?
Siyempre, bilang parte ng isang pamilya, naghahanap tayo ng something na practical. Something na makapagbibigay sa atin ng peace of mind. Di ba? Kung ano man yung mga technology na yun na pwede magbigay nun, ay willing tayong i-explore. That's why we would like to first, of course, ask ourselves, ano ba yung kailangan natin? Ano ba yung gusto natin sa ating tahanan? Gusto ba natin mas efficient ang ating energy system? Gusto ba natin mas madaling gamitin? Gusto ba natin na reliable siya na kapag sakaling may dumating na panahon na mawala ng kuryente, eh meron tayong backup na alam mong maaasahan mo. And gusto ba natin future-proof siya na hindi siya madaling ma-outdate, di ba? So, and once na ma-assess ang lahat ng ito, then siguro go out in the market, explore also. But I personally, sa aking hinahanap, nag-swak ang lahat ng pangangailangan ko dahil gusto ko ng plug-and-play. Gusto ko ng all-in-one at dito ko siya sa Mars Tech na hanap.
Okay, thank you. Pero affordable po ito, ma'am.
Giselle, pwede mo ma-explain yung ano? Kasi we have so many terms, not only privately, but also supported by the government in relation sa bill kasi mataas talaga ang kumuha ng mga solar installation setup, no? And I cannot say that we are the most affordable because we are into branding and we are into the top quality. No, pero I can say that there's a lot of payment terms supported by the government. Actually, we're being partnered with major banks in the Philippines. And currently, inaayos na yan ng mga dealers and partners natin to have it 6 to 12 months to pay installment plans. And publicly, I'm sure, I have here Miss Giselle. So, agad ng mga questions mo, sir. Salamat, ha, ma'am.
Sige, so to explain first on the affordability, I would like to jump off dun sa point na ni-raise ni Ms. Mary about the quality. Kasi we don't want something cheap, especially for a product this crucial. As you know, maraming risks around electricity. So we really made sure na it's high quality and you're getting maximum value for what you're paying for. Now, in terms of accessibility, I think the government recently has been supporting solar, especially nung nagkaroon ng issue during the war. Si Philippines kasi is very highly reliant on coal as source of energy, and we need fuel for these power plants to run. And because of the recent issue na nagmahal yung fuel,
na-recognize naman ng government yung need for alternative sources such as renewable energy. Solar being the most accessible to normal households. So, to support that, maraming financing options na available to normal Filipino consumers. So one of them, for government employees, we have GSIS giving out loans specifically for solar financing. And then other private banks are also providing financing sources. So mas nagiging accessible siya to normal Filipinos kasi malaki yung upfront cost. But because of these loans available for financing, mas maraming makakabili. So affordability, accessibility-wise, nag-i-improve naman. And then in terms of value for money, as the electricity cost goes higher, mas nagiging worth it kasi yung investment in solar power as an alternative source. Not only financially, supply source-wise, malaki yung improvement. Kasi as you know, di ba ang daming grid alerts, especially during the summer months. So, supply reliance-wise may issue na rin other than the cost. So, all the more supporting yung shifting into solar for normal Filipinos.
Clear lang po natin, ma'am. Supported po kayo ng government. You mentioned kanina, sabi niyo, ng Department of Energy ba yan?
Hindi siya directly,
okay.
but more on solar in general being supported din by government now through these financing
Okay.
options. Government employees can avail the GSIS loan for solar.
Okay, sige. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for that question. Very crucial questions and very informational answers, partner. And that concludes our official media question and answer session.
Thank you so much. And for now, we will proceed to the official recognition and group photograph of the authorized partner dealers of Marstech Philippines. May we request all our partner dealers po to please proceed over here sa harap po ng stage. Sige po, and please bring the contract with you because this will be our official photo with our newest brand ambassador of Marstech together with the executives. Salamat po ng marami. Sige, dito po tayo. Maybe call on Direk.